Hello, everybody. Today, we will be discussing a little bit about how intellectual property merges with fashion. Fashion is an ever evolving art form, blending creativity, culture, and commerce. But behind every stunning outfit and brand lies a web of complex intellectual property laws which protect the designer's original creations. Let's understand in this video how exactly does intellectual property merge with fashion. From the iconic interlocking G logo to the monogram of Louis Vuitton, the three-stripe triangular logo of Adidas, and the logo of Gap. All these fashion houses rely extensively on intellectual property laws to safeguard their unique design and maximize their brand value. Sportswear brands like Nike, Puma, and Reebok are also well known for aggressively relying and protecting their intellectual property to safeguard their unique designs. But what exactly is intellectual property and how does it impact the fashion industry? Let's break it down. Intellectual property or IP refers to creations of the mind, literary and artistic works, designs, symbols, names, and images that are used in commerce. In IP and fashion, we can break it down into key facets. The first being trademarks, second, copyrights, and third, industrial designs. The fourth is patents. There's facets of IP. Trademarks protect brand names and logos that distinguish the goods and services of one seller to those of another. Copyrights cover the original work of authorships, including the artistic elements of fashion designs. Patents can protect new and useful inventions such as innovative fabric technology and manufacturing processes. Industrial design protects the ornamental aspects of fashion on an article. This can include the shapes, patterns, lines, and colors that are applied to a product. Let us see how designers can exactly use intellectual property laws to protect their creations. The first is trademarking your logo and identity. Trademarks are crucial in the fashion industry and are vital for protecting brand identity and ensuring that customers and consumers can differentiate between brands. A trademark can include logos, brand names, slogans, and other distinctive marks that can signify the source of the goods and verify their authenticity. By registering trademarks, fashion brands can prevent others from using similar trademarks that could cause confusion between the customers. This secures the brand's reputation and goodwill and supports their marketing efforts. In the competitive fashion industry, strong trademark protection is essential for maintaining brand equity, integrity, and market position. The second is register copyrights for fashion designs and patterns. Copyrights and designs, on the other hand, protect the creative expression that is found in the textile patterns, prints, and even certain cuts of garments. Copyright in fashion protects the original artistic elements of clothing and accessories, such as unique prints, patterns, and embellishments. This protection helps the designs and designers prevent unauthorized copying and commercial exploitation of their artistic expressions. The third, consider patents for new and innovative technologies. Patents are less common in fashion, but they are very important and play a significant role in terms of protecting the technological advancement of manufacturing processes and machines. Design registration. Design registration ensures that distinctive designs are legally safeguarded against unauthorized copying and imitation. By securing industrial designs, fashion brands can enhance their market competitiveness and maintain their creative edge as well as add commercial value to their products. And lastly, they must stay informed about the new IP laws and consult experts for guidance. Intellectual property gives designers the confidence to innovate, knowing their unique vision is legally protected. It allows them to invest in creativity and quality without fear of their work being copied and imitated. By understanding and leveraging the IP laws in fashion, designers can ensure that their visions shine brightly in the ever competitive world of fashion. So, in conclusion, protect your innovation, protect creativity, stay informed, stay protected, and stay fashionable. For more such informative videos on intellectual property, like, share, and subscribe to our channel.